Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, and giving you guys the approximate value of my Ipsy glam bag for the month of February. So let's dive right in because I am super excited about this month. To celebrate the month of love, the theme for February was unzipped, and it was very body positive, very self-love positive, which I love. And then the bag itself was super cute, gorgeous like satiny pink bag with sexy little black lace details. So love the bag as always. The first product that I got is the Seraphim Botanicals Lychee and Gold Healthy Glow Rose Gold Blush, and I really like this. I'm wearing it today. I don't know if you can tell, but it kind of gives me just a very subtle rosy glow, which is nice. I'm very pale, so it's not super out there. It's just nice and rosy and pretty and shiny, and I almost feel like I don't need to wear a highlighter with this because of how sparkly and glittery it is. So I really enjoy this. The approximate value is $14 because this is actually a full size. This is 3 grams, the full size is 3 grams, and the full size retails for $14. Now, would I pay $14 for this? Probably not. But is it cool that I got a full size product in an Ipsy bag and that's worth more than the entire bag itself? Yes. Possibly my favorite product this month is the Sand and Sky Brilliant Skin Detoxify and Brightening Purifying Pink Clay Mask. That is a very long name, but it is so worth it. I love this thing. I kind of forgot what it felt like to see results after masks before this little baby, but I've been using it pretty much every other day since I got my glam bag, and my skin looks so much better. The pores like right in this area where they kind of get stressed out and large have been way reduced, which also means that the redness that I get in this area, kind of in this little T-zone area, is also reduced. I've definitely seen way less pimples and breakouts, and when I do, they're not as bad, which is awesome. So I love this. I'm going to be buying a full size of this. I don't know, I just really like this. Now, the approximate value of this product is a little hard because the Sand and Sky website doesn't actually say how much the full size is worth, but they do have a travel size coming soon that claims to have 3 masks in it, and that is about all you get in this one. So going off of that, I'm going to guess that the approximate value for this is actually $20. So I think we got a little sneak preview of the new Sand and Sky sample size of this mask, which is this. It's 0.45 ounces, and it's worth about $20, so that's pretty cool. This is Pure Heals by Nature Village Propolis 80 Cream. This is a Korean brand, so information on this is kind of hard to get, but I really like this. I love the Hey Honey brand because of the amazing natural ingredients and the honey and the propolis that is in that. I feel like it does such amazing wonders for my skin. It definitely makes it look way better. So having this kind of like lightweight propolis cream is really nice. It is definitely very lightweight though. It's something that I would use in the morning. It's not something that I would use at night. At night I like to just layer gunk on my face, so by the morning it's nice and soft and refreshed. But like this, overall it's a very nice lightweight hydrating propolis mask moisturizer. It's not a mask, it's moisturizer. Like I said before, this is a Korean brand, so the approximate value is a little hard to sauce out, but it looks like it's worth about $2.7. I love Lexi brushes. I love the fact that I get them in Ipsy bags, and this month was definitely a winner because it is Ipsy exclusive as well, so that's really cool. This is the Luxie 249 brush. It's exclusive because it's double-ended. You get a little kind of fluffy blending bit on this end, and then you get a little eyeshadow pressed powder type brush on this end, and I don't know if you can tell, but I really like it so far. I've been using it a lot, used it for this, used it basically for all of my eye makeup looks throughout the week. Does a really good job of applying and blending color. I just really like Lexi brushes. I really like the product that they put out. I think all of their brushes are really good, and I just haven't bought any more because I get a bunch with Ipsy and I love it. Now, as I mentioned before, because this is an Ipsy exclusive brush, which is awesome, there is not an approximate retail value, so I'm just gonna say it's about $15 because all of their single brushes, you know, ones that just have one thing on one side, so lame, who even wants that? Anyways, all of their single brushes are average about $15, so this is probably worth about $15 as well. And then last but not least, I got a little Haley's Refine Primer Foundation Primer. This is both the coolest and weirdest packaging I've ever seen. All of the black is very hard, and then this little clear part is squishy, so that's how you squeeze all the product out. So kind of hard to use, but also kind of cool. I don't know. As for the product itself, because that's what's really important, not the packaging, Ilea, I like it. It's pretty good. Really very thick. That's my only comment. It definitely reminds me of the Smashbox Photo Finish primers. It's just a little bit thicker than that, and it's got a tint in it, which is nice as well. I don't know, I just really like it. I definitely will finish this. I don't know if I would repurchase because I am very, very partial to like these Smashbox Photo Finish primers, but I do like this. Their website lists this size, which is 7 milliliters, as being 1 milliliter smaller than the full size, so the approximate retail value is about $10.50. So for those of you that were not keeping score, that brings the approximate retail value of the February Ipsy Glam Bag up to $62.20. Granted that all of my estimations are correct. So honestly, my mind is kind of blown because that's an amazing value. I pay $10 every month for Ipsy, and this month they sent me a bag with a $62.20 value. So that is absolutely incredible. I got 2 full-size products, 1 almost full-size product, and then 2 other amazing sample-size products for me to try. Incredible. I love Ipsy. Months like this make me love Ipsy even more. I don't know what else to say except if you haven't subscribed to Ipsy, you're missing out, obviously. P.S. If you want to check it out for yourself, my personal referral link is down in the down bar, so definitely check it out. Highly recommended. A+, gold star, all of the above. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. I hope you have a wonderful rest of February. Definitely leave a comment below. Tell me what you got in your Ipsy Glam Bag this month. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you like me. And follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Ilea. Come talk to me, I'm lonely. Just kidding. Alright, I'll stop rambling. Thank you guys, as always, for all of your support, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day.